All right, more brush clearing here, and this is gonna be a short video. We're gonna be clearing this side hill off right here, and that goes 100, 150, 200 feet maybe, that direction. And we just got a little bit of brush here along the edge of this forest to my right, and gonna be using the excavator just to smash and grab, put material behind me. The skid steer is gonna come in, grab it, and stockpile on a future burn pile location. So let's get to doing some smash and grab. as you can see in that video, I used that dozer on some of that steeper terrain to just simply come down and push the manzanita off that steeper hillside. And I also knocked down, there was a few trees right here in this dirt patch you're looking at. That's a old fig tree in there. There's another old fig tree back in there. So we're gonna try to save those. But let me show you what this looks like over here. So it just came down off that hill and scooped up that little manzanita bush. There's a few of them up in there. Pushed them down into here and then pushed them across into our pile. Left those nice stately manzanita bushes up there. They look pretty neat. Left a couple manzanita bushes over here. Left a little oak tree. Left a few other oak trees over there. They were really crowded in here, and tree's gonna have a better chance of getting big and old if it's not butted up right up against another tree. So cleared it out. Looks pretty good. And we had started over here and then just worked our way across that way. But you can see the giant pile of brush we made just in about 3.5 hours tackling this little spot. Probably 1/8 of an acre. It's pretty small, but it was thick. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned. We'll catch you next time. Over and out.